Hi guys, very excited today because I do have 5 beautiful new products that are addressing all issues, all anti-aging issues around the eye area. I've always said that it's quite difficult, it's quite challenging to find successful anti-aging eye skincare. And it's become even more difficult now that I'm 50, which has always forced me to test a lot of eye skincare products. Recently, I've had some luck, and I think it's because skincare is advancing from a technological perspective. These 5 products, no particular order, I'll just start with the newest one. True Botanicals, the Pure Radiance Supreme Eye Cream. I've spoken about True Botanicals for 2 years, ever since I discovered the Cibula serum, which is still, by the way, my favorite antioxidant. True Botanicals is one of the very few pregnancy-safe certified brands on the market. In the US, that actually awards you a safe certificate. Now, just because it's pregnancy-safe certified, that does not mean that the brand caters only to pregnant women. It simply means that this is a true clean brand. The definition of clean is a little up in the air. It's a little subjective. Sephora has one definition. I've seen brands that do not qualify to be clean at Sephora, but on their own, on their website, they claim to be clean. My personal observation on clean brands, most of them are extremely ineffective when it comes to anti-aging concerns. Or the biggest thing is, if they do, they either don't smell good, textures are not sophisticated enough for me. True Botanicals is a really big exception. So they are technically the cleanest of clean brands. But on top of that, all of their products smell absolutely incredible. I know a lot of you have used and purchased the True Botanicals Cibula Active Serum. Tell me that that serum does not smell heavenly. And it contributes to the user experience because most of these products you kind of have to use in the morning as well. And scents majorly contribute to your mood. Most of the time in the morning, I'm looking for something that's gonna put me in a better mood, that's gonna make me feel special for the day. So we have a new product. This is the eye cream. It comes with a little kind of gold plated, it's not gold, but it looks gold, a little wand that you can kind of cool and apply and massage your eye area. This cream is great for anti-aging, lines, wrinkles, but also hydration and brightening. And that's exactly what you want in the morning. It contains hydroxysamethanosine, which is a technologically advanced form of adenosine that helps support collagen and elastin. So that will help with the reduction of lines and fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. It also has polyglutamic acid, which, by the way, holds moisture way more than hyaluronic acid. And it's a small molecule, so it will penetrate, you will enter the skin. And it will also help with kind of plumping of the skin around the eye area and specifically below the eye area. And True Botanicals obviously is gonna have a good antioxidant blend of botanicals. It has green tea extract, it has tocopherol and vitamin E, which is incredible for brightening the under eye area. So if you want to improve dullness, dark circles, lines, wrinkles, and hydration around the eye area, and if you're sensitive around the eye area, this is definitely the product for you. Really good prep for makeup in the morning, brightening, hydrating, super nice. My second discovery, this is not exactly new, but it was reformulated recently and we have to talk about it because this is actually one of the best eye creams for wrinkles, plumping, brightness, puffiness, and especially deep wrinkles and crow's feet around the eye area. This is the Peau. It's from the Supreme collection. It comes with this platinum plated applicator, which is absolutely gorgeous. And in a minute, I'll tell you exactly how to use this because it's quite beneficial for firming up the eyelid area and also this part here. This eye cream contains retinol, and it's actually retinol ACE or retinol acetate, which is the gentler form of vitamin A, perfect for around the eye area. Retinol acetate is a form of vitamin A. It's retinol, but it's more stable and it's gentler. So it's the perfect ingredient for eye creams because your skin around the eye area is thinner, it's more fragile and more susceptible to irritation. But as far as retinol in an eye cream, this is definitely the most successful product that I've ever tried because it's so gentle yet effective on lines, wrinkles, plumping, and radiance around the eye area. And you can also actually use it in the morning. I've been using it twice a day for over a month. I love it. I love this product. And because of the retinol, this will also give you a bit of a firming effect. Now, the way that you use this little one, just dip it directly, take a little bit of the product. You can literally rub your eye area here above your eyelid, because that would directly help with lifting of the eye. And keep in mind that usually skincare travels a little bit, not so much nowadays. Now, if you don't have very sensitive eyelids, I don't, so I've been applying this product also a little bit on my eyelid. Just be careful not to enter the eye because it's still retinol. But you can definitely apply it on the brow bone right here, and that helps lift and firm the eye. And I've said this about Peau and Japanese skincare. They use very thoughtful ingredients from nature. There is ginger root extract here, which is great for firming up the skin in addition to the retinol. This also has golden botanical extract that includes honeysuckle, safflower, chaihu extract, and these botanical extracts stop the aging process. I've been buying a lot of luxury skincare for the last 30 years, and a lot of the skincare that I've bought before usually comes with one of these ones. I never use them. I just throw them in the drawer, and occasionally I may pick it up, but most of the time I don't see the purpose. I have fingers, right? This is actually useful because it's cooling. It's a great tool to apply without your fingers, to just apply with this. It will have a very strong depuffing effect as well if you use one of these cooling devices. It has to be the right tool, because a lot of other eye creams come with something that usually is used to just pick up the product, not necessarily a tool to massage. I love this. After 30 years of disposing these, this one I'm actually using. Out of all of these creams here, this is probably the most potent one. It will definitely help with depuffing and also darkness under the eye, but also lines, deep wrinkles, and puffiness and lifting of the eye, especially if you apply it the right way and if you apply it below on the brow bone, but also above. So make sure that when you're applying this cream, take full advantage of it, maximize the potency, and use it underneath, on the side, but also above your brow and on the brow bone directly, because that will kind of lift the eyebrow a little bit over time. So this is a very, very, very successful product for Peau. I'm so glad I found it. This is a brand new creation by Guerlain. It just launched probably even less than a month ago. This is the newest addition to the Belle Royale collection. I actually talked about the reformulated Belle Royale collection. So this is the Youth Watery Serum. This is a very famous kind of iconic product which was reformulated last year. So much better now, but they technically took the reformulated Youth Watery Serum. After 160 different versions of this, they finally launched the new Belle Royale cream. Just like the Youth Watery Serum, this is a kind of a more concentrated version that's technologically kind of formulated to fit the eye area. So it will contain their patented delivery system, their patented 5 different blends of honey and royal jelly. This product has 6 different patents on it. It's that special and that technologically advanced. The texture is superb. You can't ask a better texture or better hydration delivery system than the texture of this. It's unbelievable. It's unlike anything you've ever tried. It's between a cream and a gel. It kind of sinks immediately, but hydrates you instantly, brightens up the under eye area instantly. So this will also kind of plump up the skin. It does contain hyaluronic acid, different molecular weight, so it will plump up the skin. It will kind of visibly reduce dark circles. The idea behind a Belle Royale, the whole collection, is actually to brighten, just kind of bring back radiance, also an anti-aging effect and protection. So this is an amazing cream, especially in the morning. Of course, you can use it at night. It's great for lines and wrinkles, but predominantly brightness, hydration, and protection of the eye area. Especially with the texture and how my eye feels after I've applied this, I'm absolutely in love with this new cream. It smells differently than the serum, by the way, than the Youth Watery Serum. It's a little bit more subtle and actually even more pleasant, if anything. I still love the Double R Serum. This has been around for a while, but once again, it was reformulated last year with the whole Belle Royale collection. It's a great serum, repair and renew, but I think I like the cream a little bit better. And of course you can use both, first the serum and then the cream, which will double up the anti-aging effect. This is a great product. I'm appreciating the creativity, I'm appreciating the technology, and I'm appreciating the over 70% natural ingredients, naturally derived ingredients. This is advanced. And I love it. And this next one, you absolutely have to know about, because I've been kind of testing a lot of the Mutha products after I discovered the toner, which replaces the Biologique Recharge Lotion P50. I was so impressed by that product that I decided that I'm gonna start testing all of their other products. What's special about this brand? Everything is vegan, clean, organically derived ingredients, and there's barely any fillers in their products. There's almost not a single product that contains water. Just so we're clear, water in skincare is not technically an ingredient. It's actually a filler, because the stratum corneum, which is the far outmost layer of your skin, is actually hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means it repels water, it's afraid of water. So no water in any product can actually penetrate. It's usually there to fill the space. It's a filler. So you can imagine if there's no water in your product, then everything else is substantial ingredients that you actually take advantage of. And it's the same with this. There's no water here, and they have some extremely interesting ingredients that brighten up the under eye area immediately and long term. So if you have darkness under the eye, and if you want to recover immediately, but also over time, this is the product for you. This contains aloe leaf juice, which is great to hydrate and soothe around the eye area. It also has niacinamide, which is once again a brightening, a very super brightening ingredient, but it also strengthens the skin barrier. And you need it around the eye area, because the eye area, the skin is very, very thin. It also has pearl powder, and when you apply it, you see that there is an iridescence to that product immediately. It's not a shimmer, it's just a glow that it gives you pretty much immediately, a very elegant iridescence. And that's from the pearl powder. So it brightens immediately. I don't even think I've ever seen a product other than very, very luxury skincare, like La Prairie, I think, uses in some of their products, it uses pearl powder. So I'm very impressed that they actually put pearl powder, because it not only brightens immediately and over time, but it also makes the texture unbelievably elegant. The user experience becomes so much more elevated. This also contains an Arabica coffee extract, which once again, great for energizing and brightening dark circles, dark skin, and kind of waking up your eye immediately. Botanical extracts, and also it does contain peptides, a variety of peptides, rice bran peptides, usually derived from plants. So if you have fatigued eyes, fatigued looking eyes, I know sometimes, especially now that I'm 50, I have more days that I wake up with fatigued eyes. And when the eye looks fatigued and you have darkness under the eye, unfortunately it influences your whole face. This will fix you up in 10 minutes. You apply it around the eye, you're a brand new person. Very impressed by the quality, the thoughtfulness of the ingredients. I'm impressed by the fact that there are no fillers. I'm impressed by the fact that they're not utilizing water to dilute their products. This eye cream is such a useful addition in my collection. I've been using it every morning, and it's because of that luminosity, because of that iridescence of the pearl powder that kind of opens my eyes immediately, and also the coffee starts to work to energize the eye. So this is a great product for, yes, because of the peptides, lines, wrinkles, but brightening effect, immediate and long term. So dark circles and also puffiness. The coffee will help with puffiness as well. I love this. I love this product so much. I'm so impressed by this brand. The last product is actually eye patches, but these are very special. Usually when you buy eye patches, they kind of go under, right? These go around, and they're firming eye patches. They instantly and long term remove lines, wrinkles, and they firm up around the eye area, not only underneath. Now I keep on saying over 50 because I'm 50, but within the last 10 years, I've had that issue with, firming of the eyelid, firming of this area, lifting the eye, also around the eye. And all that is made possible of a neurotransmitter peptide. Yes, they do contain ergotamine. Yes, they do contain acetyl hexapeptide, which is technically ergotamine. And neuropeptides work directly, well, indirectly, technically. They communicate the message to the muscles so they don't contract. So in about 15-20 minutes, the muscles here will relax and your crow's feet would be less visible. But also, they kind of depuff and firm this area because, again, very smart product. I don't know why other brands haven't come up with this, but this is a super smart product because it goes around the eye area. See, especially over 40, over 50, we don't just have problems with the under eye area. Yes, that's one issue, but it's mostly actually here. It's mostly the crow's feet, and it's also the eyelid, the droopy eyelid, and just everything kind of goes down, right? Well, we want it to go up. This helps. I've been loving using this. And also, I love it because when you apply it, it doesn't slide. It actually technically sticks onto the skin, so I can do other things. And pretty much I don't feel it. I don't have to care about sliding and readjusting. It sticks to the skin. I love it. And yes, it's also hydrating. It does contain glycerin and ginger root extract, and also caffeine for darkness and energizing of the eye. So this is an overall truly anti-aging firming product of the eye. And of course you will depuff the eye as well. Firming usually means depuffing. This is why I don't often say depuff, but when you say a firming product, that means also depuffing. It's called the 360 firming eye patches, and truly 360, not only because they go 360 degrees, but also fix 360-degree problems. It fixes all the problems around the area. I'm actually very surprised that I'm talking so much about an eye patch. I've never been really a big fan of eye patches. I mostly would use them in the morning just to quickly hydrate. But these are incredible because they actually work on the lid and they lift the eye. They lift the eyelid here. Very, very creative product that actually works. Love. And these are the 5 new eye creams and eye products that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.